Hello, class. Now I haven't exactly duplicated any of these particular diagrams that I have shown as my examples here, but I've shown all the techniques that can be used to really create any piece of those, and you'll want to go ahead and take the techniques, the colors, the strokes, and all these things, and what you want to say about whatever project you're working on to make it your own. But what I wanted to show in this video is some things about layer order, because right now it looks pretty good, but some things are hidden, like I can't see these circles anymore, my property lines hidden, and that's all to do with layers. Because in Illustrator, the way things are shown is the order that they are. I'll just lock all my layers there that they are in this list. And since I just sort of started out in some order that I want to show things, things are hidden. So let's say, for example, this property line. That probably wants to be on top. I want that to be visible for everything. So I'm just going to come back down to this project boundary layer. I'm going to click and hold and just pull it all the way up till I get to the top of my object and drop it in there, and we can see, boom, now I can see all of this line. And maybe maybe these green dots that I have there also aren't very visible, so those are called street trees, so maybe I want to pull those up. Maybe I don't need to go quite as high, but I'll pull those up and boom, we can see that they appear here. Now, not that I want to do this, I think the position of the yellow arrows are probably pretty good in this drawing, but if I can also move things downwards, and so that's pretty high. Here's my arrow line layer. If I want to pull those down, I just pull it down and there we go. Now those drop behind some of the other objects. It's not great because now I don't think I want the arrow underneath that object, but you have full control. So if things aren't reading the way you want them to read, just move them around and up or down, and you'll get something that works for you. And sometimes you might even have to break layers. So maybe this arrow and this arrow need to be on different layers to get them oriented in the right visibility order. So have fun creating these diagrams. I'm going to come back with one last video just to talk briefly about the rendering of the site plan.